Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I'm Muhammad Shahid and today we are going to discuss some dialogues from Chinese movies, and I have included the dialogues of the characters from the movie, so it will be an interesting lecture for us. Today we are going to learn different words which are used in real life in Chinese language. सो मेरा नाम मोहम्मद शाहिद है और आज हम चीनी फ़िल्मों के कुछ डायलॉग्स है वो पढ़ेंगे और उसमें से हम मुख्तलिफ़ अल्फाज जो है वो सीखेंगे. सो what are those dialogues? Let's proceed towards the dialogues, and then we will also watch the dialogue from the movie. Okay, so here we go. The dialogue of the person A is 他为了你甚至自杀过他为了你甚至自杀过甚至自杀过 She even took her own life for you. I have explained the meaning of these words one by one, so you would also know that what is the meaning of an individual word. 他为了你甚至自杀过他为了你甚至自杀过 She even took her own life for you. यहाँ तक के या हत्ता कि उसने तुम्हारे लिए अपनी जान ले ली. So let's proceed. The first one is 为了你for you, तुम्हारे लिए. 为了你 if you use 为了他 it means that for him. Okay, so now proceeding towards the next word. 甚至 even to the extent that hatta ke yaha tak ke 自杀过 z means self, sha means to kill, guo it is used for indicating a past action. So commit suicide or take one's own life. खुदकुशी करने को हम ज़शा कहते हैं. शा तो मारने को कहते हैं, लेकिन ज़शा को means to commit suicide or take one's own life. Okay, so I hope you would have understood. Now the dialogue of person B is 别听他瞎胡说我们走吧 Don't listen to his nonsense, let's go. उसकी बकवास मत सुनो, हम चलते हैं या हमें चलना चाहिए. 别听他瞎胡说我们走吧别听他瞎胡说我们走吧 Don't listen to his nonsense. Let's go. I will also tell you the individual meaning of these words in the upcoming slides. 别听 don't listen, मत सुनो 别听. The next 他瞎胡说 his nonsense, उसकी बकवास. 瞎 means this word. In Chinese language this means blind. But if the person is so angry, like if someone is talking meaninglessly like a blind, so you can, this is a fixed form, 瞎胡说 talking meaninglessly like a blind. Okay, but it is a fixed form and it means nonsense. 他瞎胡说 his nonsense. His means his. 他 actually means he. You can also use 他的, but it will not sound more natural. 他的瞎胡说 actually this means his. Okay, so we are basically talking about the position. A position means like this nonsense belongs to that person. So 他瞎胡说 his nonsense, उसकी बकवास. I hope you would have understood the meaning of that. बकवास करने को हम कहते हैं 胡说 और श्या जो है ये लफ्ज़ चीनी ज़बान में अंधे के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. तो अगर कोई बिना किसी वजह के कोई इल्ज़ाम लगा रहा है या कोई ऐसी बात कर रहा है जो आप मुनासिब नहीं समझती, तो आप उसको फिर उस कैटेगरी में लेते हैं कि ये एक बकवास बात हो रही है. तो दिस इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड Now proceeding towards the next 我们走吧 let's go or let's get going. चलो चलते हैं या हमें चलना चाहिए या चलो हम चलते हैं. So this is all for today. I hope that you would have liked today's lecture, and we are going to meet in other interesting videos regarding Chinese language. I'll not only bring videos of such lessons which are from textbooks, but also we will learn some practical Chinese from movies and other scenarios. So don't lose your touch with Chinese language made easy, and enjoy the real dialogue from the movie right now. 再见, Allah Hafiz.
他为了你甚至自杀过。别听他瞎胡说，我们走吧。他为了你甚至自杀过。别听他瞎胡说，我们走吧。